Greetings everyone, welcome to the third and final part of the Super Hatak or the Mothership of Anubis. In this part we will do the Superweapon and the fleet of Hataks, and we will put everything together and finalize the print. So this is basically what we will do. As you can see, this is the Superweapon, and this is what we now have to print and put into existing main body. So we have those three pieces with pins, of course, and those will be stationary, and inside we will have basically this piece. So we also have to print all those small pieces and put everything together. And we also have to print all the Hataks. So as you can see, there is quite a lot of work ahead of us. So let's get straight into the print.
Okay, so now we have the upper part and the bottom part. As you can see, I already inserted the pins, and now we will put the two halves together. Okay, like this. And now we will take the main body and we will insert it with those holes to these locks. Okay, so it is in place. You have to use quite a lot of force to actually press it all the way down, and yeah, it cannot fall down because it's held by the locks, and now it's firmly in place. So yeah. Okay, so we have these two pieces. As you can see, I already inserted the pins, and we have the middle piece here. So we will simply take it off and put it together. And this will be the base of the moving part. Okay, so we have this piece, and I already inserted those links, and here we have to do the last one, so this we will do together. We take this very small pin and we will put it inside and put the link in and then press it. Okay, like this. And now we will take this piece, and as you can see, I already prepared the longer links. I inserted them but not pulled them all the way in. And what we will do now is that we will take this piece and put the two together. Yeah, like this. Now we will take this piece and simply put it to the link that we just prepared. It's a bit problem on camera, like this. Yeah, I don't know if it's well visible. And we will do it to all of them. Okay, like this. Yeah, all of them are there. And now we will take this piece and it goes like that. And once that is done, we will take this piece and clamp it together. Okay, like this. And when that is done, simply put it here and pull it all the way down. And we have to do it 7 more times. Okay, like this. Yeah, as you can see, it's not perfect because those don't want to go down by their own. I would have to use some kind of rubber, and I don't really want to do that. But yeah, that's just minor thing. Anyway, next thing we need to do is basically to take this part, this, then this, put the two together and insert the pin through them like that, and then we will take this piece with the cut down and we will simply push it all the way through like this, and we will do it 7 more times. And when we do that, we will take it, and as you can see here we have 2 holes, and here we have 2 pins, and simply put that together. Okay, like this. And now comes the most difficult part, because we now have to insert the entire Superweapon inside the existing piece, the main body. Okay, so now we will move those up, and then we have to take the entire thing up, and yeah, this will be problematic too. I actually don't know how to do it on camera, but we have to get all those. Yeah, I will try to do it. Yeah, like this. So now it's aligned with all those arms, and we can push the pins through them. But in order for me to actually do that, I have to turn it around. But now I cannot because of those 6 arms, so we will simply put it together. Yeah, like that. So yeah. Now I will try to turn it. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry I wasn't able to record it, and even that now is problematic because of the shear length. The point was to put the 2 pins here and connect all those arms to this moving body, and now the last thing is to actually put this thing and clap it together. Okay, so it's finally done. It's put all in the place, and the last thing that remains is to actually take these and cover the hole here. So yeah, like this, and the same goes to all of them. Okay, like this. And now the ship is done. Oh, that was a really hard assembly. Not just because of the complexity of the mechanism, but mainly because of the sheer dimensions, and it's really heavy. So yeah, now if I take it like this, yeah, as you can see, it's alright. But if I actually take it through the neck, it's open now. And if I want to close it, just press down. Yeah, unfortunately, as you can see, those don't want to go down, but I believe if I wiggle it a little bit so that the pressure isn't that high, the tension, the gravity will help me. Yeah, but even that is now kind of problematic for just the sheer weight. You may see that I am not opening it all the way down. You probably noticed that even in the CAD, when I showed you the model, I didn't want that. I want it to be like this. But the mechanism works, so those open out and those, well, close in, I guess. So let me tell you, it was really fun. Okay, so now we will do the fleet of the Hataks. Okay, so we have this part and this part. As you can see, I already inserted the pins, and we will simply put the two halves together and push it all the way down, and we have our Hatak, and we will do it 7 more times, so that we have the fleet of 8 Hataks. Okay, so here we have the opening and here we have the pack, so we will simply push it inside. And now all 8 Hataks are connected, and that is kind of a problem because now I don't have a place to actually take it, so I will try to do it like this. And as you can see, the Hataks are holding in place, though I certainly wouldn't recommend to move it with them attached. The attachment points is strong enough to simply hold it in, and it's not designed to keep them attached all the time, not to mention it's quite heavy as it is already. Also, one thing I want to mention, as you can see, I removed those covers that were here because I found that the additional friction kinda broke off the smoothness of the opening mechanism. So yeah, I removed them and kept it without it. And here it is on its stand next to my Atlantis, and they are so big that I can even get them in frame. And next to it is the Anubis Mothership, and the two should roughly be in the scale. I will try to, yeah, well, more or less. Yeah. Yeah, so those are in one frame and in scale. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's all. That's the mothership of Anubis. I hope you liked it, and we will see each other in the next project. And I can already tell you that I know what the next project will be, and I am really happy about it, even though I already published a project like that, but this is quite a big improvement. Alright, so have a very nice day and bye bye.